Okay. Hi, Ben. Yes,
Uh,
yes, good morning. Wait me, Ben. Ha?
okay.
Pangita ko sang bill. Eh. Okay. What do you know about the play Romeo and Juliet? What do you know about the play of Romeo and Juliet? Mana ko ng water. Yan eh, okay na ni.
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, do you know Romeo and Juliet?
I know that, but I don't know what.
Hmm?
No, know them.
Do you know Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah, I know them. Hello?
Okay. So do you know Romeo and Juliet? Do you have any hint about Romeo and Juliet?
I don't know anything.
Okay, let us check Romeo and Juliet. What kind of story is it? It is a, what is it? This is a love.
Love story?
Yeah, it is a love story. Romeo and Juliet, then, it's actually a love story. Okay, it is a love story. Okay, does it has a happy ending? Do you think it has a happy ending? Wait, me, Ben, ha? Wait, wait. Do you think, Ben, it is a happy ending?
Yeah, maybe.
A love story. Okay. So you read the summary of the scene from Romeo and Juliet. What were the actual words used by the characters? Okay, wait me, ha? Okay. So please read. Please familiarize, ha? If after you read, you tell me. Sunday, it's 8 a.m.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. So this one, listen and check how similar as your answer. Okay, let us check, ha?
Lesson 3B. Exercise 3.
Psst! Romeo! Psst!
Romeo was beneath her balcony like an arrow.
Romeo, what time shall I send someone to get you?
At 9.
I'll make sure of that. It'll feel like 20 years till then. I've forgotten why I called you back.
That's all right. I'll just stand here until you remember it.
Then I'll never remember it, so that you'll stand there forever.
Okay.
Mhm. So again,
Lesson 3B. Exercise 3.
Psst! Romeo! Psst!
Romeo was beneath her balcony like an arrow.
Romeo, what time shall I send someone to get you?
At 9.
I'll make sure of that. It'll feel like 20 years till then. I've forgotten why I called you back.
That's all right. I'll just stand here until you remember it.
Then I'll never remember it, so that you'll stand there forever.
Okay, so we have here some of the highlighted word: inquired, proposed, promised, confessed, admitted, offered, and threatened. So do you think these are the words, actual words used by the characters? Do you think that? Ben, do you have any idea?
No, I'm not good at that.
Okay, so let us have here. So we have here reporting structures. So have you heard reported speech? Okay, reporting structures. We use direct speech to repeat the exact words that someone said. Okay, this is like reporting speech. We use reported speech to report what someone has said, but without using the exact words. Okay, the same. So Anne said, it was an incredible concert. We had fantastic time. So Anne said they had really enjoyed the concert. Okay, so this is the what we called as reporting structures. So the correct, I mean the base one is Anne said it was incredible concert. We had fantastic time. When you try to do the reporting structures, it becomes Anne said they had really enjoyed the concert. This is it, Ben. Okay. So when we change direct speech, the reported speech, we usually change the tense of the sentence. Okay, like present tense, it becomes past tense. Okay. So we usually change the tense of the sentence, the pronouns and possessive adjective from first and second person to third person, and the time of expressions. Oh, no, wait, sabihin ha. My phone is off, Ben. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, so I had an interview yesterday, said John. Okay, so when you have to do the direct speech, John said, okay, this is the direct speech, di ba? This one, the first one. This one is the reported speech. John said he had an interview the day before. Okay, so always remember that, okay, the time expression will change in the direct speech, I mean in the reported speech, the time expression will change. When you say yesterday, it's the day before. The day before, when you say yesterday, the day before. When you say now, you are gonna say at this moment. Okay? So time expression will change. And you can see here, John said he had. Look at what's that. He had an interview the day before. Okay. So another is we can use a number of other reporting verbs to introduce reported statements apart from say and tell. These verbs are used with a variety of structures. A few verbs are used with more than one structures. Okay. So she refused to him. Okay. We can use number of other reporting verbs to introduce reported statements apart from say and tell. Okay? So, she refused to see him. Okay. Example, he encouraged her to go out with friends. Okay. So, another, they mentioned seeing him at a party. So, this one we call this gerund with the ing. Seeing. That is gerund. Okay. Seeing. That's gerund. Another is when you see infinitive to go. Okay, infinitive to go. Okay, another is you have here the infinitive to, okay, to see him. To see him. That's infinitive. Okay, to see him. Okay. Okay. Prepositions. Okay, to loving another woman. To is preposition. Loving is gerund. Okay. Prepositions. To cause, she accused him of being unfaithful. Okay, this one. Okay. We have here, Ben, let's move this. Read the direct speech. Use the verbs below where two reporting structures are possible. Okay, example. You must marry Count Paris. Juliet's father told her. Okay. So example, Juliet's father ordered. Okay, ordered this one. Make it past tense. Ordered her to marry Count Paris. Okay, go. So you choose the verb in here. Okay, make it past tense. Try, Ben, you can do it. Wait, Ben, ha? I'm searching for a
Okay.
Okay. Oh, number four, number four. Finish number four, please.
I don't know.
Okay, you try only. You try. Do not say I don't know. You try.
Cannot think of any. Sorry.
Brian Lawrence agreed to help Juliet. All right, I help you, said. Okay. The best thing to do is to take the best thing to do is to take the potions. The friar told her. The friar recommended her that she should take a potions. Okay, past tense. Don't think like a child, he said to Juliet. He warned Juliet against thinking like a child. He warned Juliet not to think like a child. Okay. So this one, you still have 5 and 7. Okay, go.
Mm. Yeah. Don't you? Okay. I know
Okay.
the last one, but I can write
Okay.
the
Juliet's
sentence.
father wondered where she had been. Okay. I saw Paris while I was in the Friar Lawrence, said Juliet. Juliet mentioned that she had seen. Okay, past tense, she had seen. Okay, I must be alone in my room tonight. Juliet insisted on being alone in her room that night. Okay, insisted. Okay, now please complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first. Write no more. This is like in the writing for pet. Okay, example. Okay, I wish I had asked Lola for her phone number. Okay, you have the word not. So I regret not asking for her phone number. Here you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the reigning Mutya sa Tagbilaran 2023, Miss Fiona Joaquin, for her farewell walk.
Everything on earth has its own time and its own season. Yes, the season. Life can be wonderfully measured by seasons. So God's timing is always. I thank my Savior for molding me to become a servant for Him for the Tagbilaran, advocating the promotion of the interventions of nutrition in our city. I am honored to embrace this call over them. Thank you to God for always believing. Ate Juliet Muchas. love me and prove so much to my twin Lolo in heaven. Thank you, for I know that you are proud of me. For always being my inspiration. And to the rest of my families and relatives for the support, I love you all. My deepest gratitude,
Can I skip this?
my IA family, for consideration.
Okay. You find it so hard? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Task 6. Read part 1 of the text. What were the real names of Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid? Okay.
Thank you for your mentorship. My implicit grandmothers, J.M. Tuhan and J.B. I appreciate your signatures to English. Thank you. May God continue to bless you. Your perseverance and dedication make this event spectacular. Not just Madera, Sir Alexis Tadeo, Sir John Toralba, Julian Richard, and to all the light of this city, energy. As chairwoman, honor you for encouraging females to reach, along with Vice Mayor, Attorney Adam Ala, Sir Chief Babay. To our next week, night is just the beginning. Always trust the process and have faith. My top 5 finalists, Sarah Ann Gerber, my 4th runner-up, Ate Cristina Shot, my 3rd runner-up, Ate Vivienne Puyos, my 2nd runner-up, Jessica, my 1st runner-up, and to the rest of my sister, never be forgotten. And to my beloved Tagbilaran City, hindi ka na biglaan, pero ka na balikan. I won't leave you, and I will always come back to you. Amen. Daghang salamat. This season is ending, but I know he is still writing my story. This is Flaviona Ganya Wakid, your Mutya sa Tagbilaran 2023, declaring that once a Mutya will always be a Mutya.
Beautiful speech right there.
Yes, once a mutya, always a mutya. Thank you so much to our lovely queens. I mean, such a fruitful and of course a meaningful experience during their reign. But
Definitely.
you know what? Let these moments enrich you, diba? It's always about remembering the experience that you had throughout that year and bringing it forward.
And she has a message for the next queens, actually. Speaking of the next queens, I have with me the results tonight. Tagbilaran, are you ready? Who will be crowned Mutya sa Tagbilaran 2024? Let's
Okay.
When we say comparative, it means we compare. Okay, this one. It took twice as long as we thought it would. They are 10 times richer than us. Not they're twice richer than us. Okay, they are 10 times richer than us. I know you know this already. Okay? Okay. She isn't a good singer as she thinks. She is not such a good singer as she thinks. Okay. We can also double the comparative to show changes. Okay. So they were becoming richer and richer. Okay, the more she talked, the less I understood. Okay, so this one. So in this text, which comparative structure can you find in the text? Example.
Present the cash.
Okay, this one. Okay. Letter A. Comparative can be followed by clauses.
We call it city
Okay,
councilor.
so let us move to the next one. Okay, find comparative form in the text. Okay, comparison with adjective. Okay, that one. Okay, next letter B. Irregular comparative form. Irregular.
All right, the Mutya sa Tagbilaran 2024.
Can I skip this?
Oh, yeah, hard.
Mutya
Yeah.
number.
Okay.
Mutya number 9.
Okay. We can use as or like a clause to convey similarity, like it's more formal. Okay, like she hoped to study at Yale University like her mom. I did. Okay, to close convey similarity. She hoped to study at Yale like her mom did. Okay, we can invert the subject. Okay. Okay, we can invert the subject and object of the clause after us, but not after like. Okay, like she hoped to study at Yale University as did her mom. Okay, so we can invert the subject and object of the clause after us, but not after like. Okay, written as, you know what, she hoped to study at Yale University like her mom did. Okay, but in here, as did her mom. We can use like noun, pronoun to convey similarity. Like his friends, Tom is a huge basketball fan. Okay. We can use like plus noun. Okay, like. Okay, like his friends. Okay, like plus noun, friends. Tom is a huge basketball fan. However, as plus noun indicates identity, not similarity. As your lawyer, I advise you to appeal. Okay. As a lawyer, I advise you to ask plus noun. What is the noun? Lawyer. Okay. So here, please choose like or as here. Okay.
Uh, Okay.
This one. Okay, his parents were farmer. Us was his answer.
Magbilaran, are you ready?
Luke studied math university, or if you could say us or like. He has blonde. Anna earns more. Us. Let's have summer party. Okay, we have us here. Sorry, she did us a receptionist. Let's have a summer party like or as we did last summer. So we can choose either the two. Okay, we can choose either as or like. Okay, Ben? Okay, so we can.
Okay.
Okay, actually it's really okay, but it's quite complicated sometimes. Okay? So Ben, we don't have enough time for now. So I will see you next week. Okay? Okay, Ben? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Ben, for today. If you want to have homework, you tell me, okay? Okay, let us
Okay.
continue this.
Bye.
Try natin tayo. Hi, Ben.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I will see you.
Next week.
Okay, next week, Ben. Bye, Ben. Friday again, Ben?
Goodbye.
Friday? You on Friday?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, thank you, Ben.
Goodbye. No. It's Saturday.
Okay, just message me in advance, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.